We are pleased to show you the 2026 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.